Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone and iPad in iOS 15. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on accessibility, and under accessibility scroll, find and tap on audio and visual, and then tap headphone accommodation and turn off headphone accommodation. The second thing that we have to do, launch settings. Then tap on general, scroll, find and tap on transfer reset iPhone, and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now after putting the iPhone passcode, tap reset all settings to confirm your action. Now we go for number 3, launch settings. Then find and tap on accessibility, scroll, find and tap on audio and visual, and turn off phone noise cancellation. Number 4, first we have to go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Finally we go for solution number 5. Force close all the apps that are running in the background, then force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. By doing simply this setup, you will fix the problem of microphone on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.